This is Ben Irek at the TNA truck stop in Branford, Connecticut. We're looking for Tim Gorley. If we don't find him here, we'll find him on YouTube on Life is Good. Come on.
Check that out. Look at a muddy mess, doesn't it? Wait a minute. Is the mic working? We have got a mess going on in here. We have set up shop. But we are at Margaritaville Casino River Sport. I think something just turned off. Big television on the wall. Nice room. Yeah, it's a wreck. I just got my luggage. Long story. Not a bad little setup. So living large. Spa and pool. Oh yeah. So you have towels here, right?
Yes, we do.
I just want to scope it out, see if I need to go back to my suit or not.
No problem.
I'm not ready yet.
Not ready yet? Yeah,
Yeah.
no problem. I can't let you pass here without your bracelet being on you.
Okay.
But if
I really need to get me a way to carry all this stuff. It's an Alienware laptop, camera gear, iPad. Try to interview Steve, shoot some videos of trucks. Got my valet parking receipt. Holy smokes at the stuff we gotta carry around. All right, let's go get it. Now we're just out here waiting on our car to show up. You scan your card in here at the desk, and I think they just go up there and get it, bring it to you, and you give them the courtesy gratuity and go on your merry way. But we don't know where it's at. We could go get on the bus, see where they're going. Red Corporate Charters. And here comes the Jeep. Finally. Holy smokes. Beautiful. Good morning, sir. ID there.
Thank you very much. Is there anything else I can do for you?
That'll be it, man.
All right, my friend. You have a
Thank
good
you.
day.
You too. We got our newly acquired rental that's out of gas. Look at that. We'll show you the rest. Okay, well, they changed my radio station every single time. They leave the seat scooted all the way to the rear every single time. I'm new to this valet game. I'm just saying, man, you don't mess with another man's vehicle, you know. Put the seat back. Come on. I'm gonna quit tipping. I give them $2 every time I valet it, which $2 ain't much, but if you consider all the cars that are moving, they're coming out okay. Now we gotta go find breakfast. So we are at Rush Truck Center, Peterbilt dealership in Tulsa, Oklahoma. All right, so we made our emergency run to the dentist. I think I might have told you guys that we had to go to the dentist. Sorry, I'm having to hold the GoPro on a non-functioning gimbal. Well, holy smokes, let's pause this operation till we get out. So anyway, as I was saying, we'd like to never get out of that doggone spot. We made an emergency run to the dentist. We're borderline needing a root canal, so I think we're doing some serious grinding. Got the roots of the molars inflamed, but they're just a little inflamed, they're not bad. So some ibuprofen 800 and a night guard. Try to help see if that'll work. We're gonna go down here and see if our truck is still in the parking lot. If it's still in the parking lot, we're gonna go postal on Peterbilt Steve. Nope, she's gone. She's inside. And anyway, it turns out they get you in there, and then I see it sitting right over there. We'll see if we can get Steve to escort us in there. This place is like Fort Knox. They got you they got $180,000 of your equipment locked up in their shop, and they will not let you in there. So if it was $180,000 of their money, they'd want to check on it every now and then and see what's going on. But it's not their $180,000. But anyway, so we're making progress. I think we're going to have to extend our stay again. Rental on the Jeep one more day. There's the rigging shop. You guys see it. See if we can get Steve to take us around and get a tour. We're fixing to go in here and interview Mr. Steve Carboni. Peterbilt Steve. Oh, by the way, here's the Kenworth dealership. They have a lot of more plastic trucks than they have hoods. I don't see any plastic trucks on the Rush Peterbilt News side. Excuse me, I just ate right there at the diner. That turkey and dressing. That diner right there's got some really good food. Freeway cafe, and they have truck parking in the back. But anyway, we're going to go in here and see if we can't interview Mr. Peterbilt Steve for the channel. So we'll see you guys. So those you have are all these hauling fifth wheels, or?
Yeah. We don't do much with the Just.
A buddy of mine wanted to ask me. That's right. That's what the question was. He wanted to know on the aluminum fifth wheels if the Teflon plate is changeable.
No.
It is not.
No. If you're gonna get the one on the iron plate is replaceable, but a lot of guys make a mistake and they'll buy that aluminum fifth wheel, and if they are swapping trailers a lot,
Like this one here.
yeah.
So this is not replaceable.
No, these pads aren't replaceable. You get one good and tore up, then you're buying a whole nother plate.
Wow, $2,500, right?
Yeah.
Now I think we're recording. Anyway. It's a 300 purple, and I guess that's purple and white Semino, and good looking truck, isn't it? And then we got this little. I love that thing. Look at those massive pipes on that sucker. Now that right there is sharp. I don't know who ordered that or what they're gonna do with it, but that thing right there is killer, man. I need those pipes on mine. And but that's, I mean, guys, to spend 10 grand, to order it from the factory is probably the best option. But that truck right there is kind of cool. And then here's Sammy's truck, Makes Sense truck. I think they've got one inside the bay. They're painting all green. And then here is a plastic That is not, what do they call that? I don't know. Anyway, all these are new trucks that are in and they have not been rigged up yet. That one there's got they're working on it. They got to put a visor on it still. They got half fenders on it. But anyway, they got quite a few trucks here. Here's another good looking Pete. It's like going to a truck show. That's my truck over in the bay. Getting the lines ran and the lights done. And this is a customer special order truck. He come in here and inspected it himself and got it all tricked out. Red frame with white body and blue skirts and super singles. So yeah, all right, let's get out of here.
When I'm not having a relaxing day at the beach, I'm watching Life is Good. Come on!